Today I'm gonna do some meal prep. You guys can have pizza for breakfast. 5 different flavor. Hot pizza. It's like buns in the morning. Different flavor. Chicken sausage, sausage beef, green pepper. And how about some fruit pizza? Fruit, 水果. No? No fruit pizza? Oh, I love fruit pizza. If the girls want to eat something, what are they doing? 早上好，想吃什么呀？
听见你。
That one's in the blanket. 什么饼？
中国饼。
They want to eat Chinese pancakes. Let's make coffee first. Need some eggs. Coffee's ready? Ooh, hot. Look at that. He made himself a bagel with cream cheese and Sam. You made for me?
Yeah.
When it's hot. My followers here, down here, every time I'm cooking, he just come here waiting for some food to drop. Right, Pepper? You're waiting this to drop? Not gonna drop. Not gonna drop. Uh-oh. Drop on the stove. That's ready. Bacon. 看煎的饼。好吃吧？来，坐下，把你 iPad 放一下，不要。给你做了培根，好不好吃呀？我煎的饼，你要求的。你今天要求我煎饼。Well, first this favorite beauty water. So refreshing in the morning. Just wake you up. This is my dermatologist suggest serum. I use it in the morning and night, vitamin C, so you can get rid of the pigmentation. I like this eye oil because that has this roller, so you can massage pressure points, get that oil really into your skin. Get rid of the wrinkles and around the eyes I'm so dry. And after that, moisturizer. This one is Cora. It's yellow because it's turmeric. Actually, turmeric is one of the cooking ingredients, right? After I've been using this for a while, I really find my skin's kind of glowing. Right? After my moisturizer, I always use a sunscreen. Oh, right here. This one Shiseido, and it's transparent. You can see. So if you put on your face before makeup, it's very sheer. You don't really see anything right there. Makeup is gonna be a little long, so maybe next time. This is the last thing I put on, setting spray for my makeup. Okay, I'm ready for the meal prep. Let's go. All these ingredients become this. I will show you those 5 flavors from the ingredients to pizza. This pizza dough recipe I use many times. You can see on my channel, the other pizza, I always use this. So easy. So I'm gonna make maybe 3 or 4 batch of this. After the flour, we put the yeast and sugar. Then next, this is the salt and vegetable oil. You can use any oil. Last time I used olive oil. Today I use corn oil. Mix everything. Next is add water, little by little. I mix with chopsticks. Yeah, it's a great tool to cook. If you are lazy today, doesn't want to do exercise, use a stand mixer. Oh, so heavy. Raise up, then let's go.
Next, we're mixing the dough until it becomes very smooth and soft. Now we brush some oil in a container, then cover it, set on the side, let it rise.
So the pizza topping Only thing we need to cook is the meat and seafood. Today I'm using beef, stir fry with green pepper. Here we marinate the beef first. The most work is chopping. That's why I'm doing on the weekend. Chinese now like hot breakfast. So this I consider like a steamed buns in the morning, congee, or hot. I rarely eat any cold breakfast, or my family in China. My parents, they never eat cold. Drink cold milk or eat cold food in the morning. I have an orange pizza in another video. You can do orange pizza, recipe video down below. Check out. Let's get this started.
Bring water to a boil. Now we put the shrimp in. These are already peeled shrimp, so they only need to cook about 2 minutes, really quick. In a hot pan, add cooking oil, then lots of garlic. Also onions. Stir fry for a couple minutes. Get the fragrance out, then next we add the protein. We always do this in stir fry, right? Get the fragrance out, then add protein. Stir fry the beef until you see the color changes. This is really quick, probably about a minute. Depends on your pot, your stove, and how big your beef. Next, add some cooking wine and Chinese soy sauce. And black pepper, optional, and a little bit of salt to taste. Last is green bell pepper, or some red pepper as well, or you want spicy. Add some spicy peppers. Look at that. Pepper always tastes good on pizza.
Taking a break, make some noodles. So hungry. I think the dough's ready. We are going to make some pizza. Let's see. I made about 4 batches. This is double. Punch in. All the doughs are ready. Divide them.
This dough recipe, you can divide it to little pizza, about 10 to 11 pieces. So each pizza, each one, you divide it 45 to 50 grams. The recipe will be on my website.
It's each little pizza. We roll it into a little disc about 5 inches big. When we divide the dough, one recipe, it's about 10 little pizza. Each piece about 50 grams. I'm gonna roll it into 4 to 5 inches. Here's a little trick. Get a rice bowl, or I have this Starbucks mug. Press here in the middle. And we fold the edges. Look at that. Whoa, look at this pizza. It's perfect. Get the paper, and we brush some vegetable oil. Now we poke some holes so they won't bubble. This way preventing bubbling.
I pre-bake the pizza dough before I put topping on about 5 minutes. This step is important because it tastes much better after take out the freezer, you reheat the pizza. Those are ready. Here's my formula to assembling the pizza. First, we brush some oil. Then the first layer is the pizza sauce. Next, a layer of cheese. Then we add any topping. Here, add chicken sausage. Finish with another layer of cheese on top. Very easy. This was a full pizza. Instead of pizza sauce, I use Japanese mayonnaise on the bottom after the oil. Follow with a layer of cheese, then your fruit. I love some dragon fruit and pineapple on here. Some people like durian. I also made this one. It's a pineapple and ham, Hawaiian style. Pineapple should be on the pizza. For some of you love seafood and vegetable, so this one is for you. Some peas, carrots, and shrimp. Topping with some more cheese. For the beef green pepper pizza, I use the beef sauce on the bottom after the oil. Add cheese. On top of cheese, add beef and green peppers. I also have a recipe for stir-fry orange chicken. There are so many ways you can make this.
Divided, each one's about 50 grams.
Money?
什么 money 啊? Can I get some flour?
Mine's a hot dog shape.
Hot dog
And you
shape.
circle it.
So many little pizza. 我切了一下，牛肉尝一下。Hot. The crust is crunchy. Center is soft.
It's good.
Look at all this pizza I made today. I actually have more. Here are 20 here, 20 more, or be 40. Let's pop them in the freezer. Pack them in the containers. Also Ziplocs, whatever works. Let's put them in. Got this 4. We put the lid on. Also pack them in here too. In the morning, just take out the freezer. We pop into the oven or air fryer for 10 minutes. Breakfast is ready. Kids are folding clothes. I am making breakfast here. Making some smoothie. Oh, here, this is my new machine for soy milk smoothie. So great. So today I'm making strawberry banana and blueberry. Some condensed milk. Look at that. So the meal prep, not only we can have a quick breakfast like today, just come back from a trip. Now we have breakfast or lunch, brunch. Oh, you already took your smoothie. I'm gonna serve with the pizza. Wow, looks good. Just eat before the kids. 杰涵，雨涵，红红来吃啊！那是牛肉，你小心一点，小心一点，太烫了。Gonna go have a smoothie， 好吧？来，拍拍。You want some leftover yogurt？ 拍拍。Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want to see more of those. I can't speak to it. It's like